2005 Toyota Camry XLE, 55,000 miles. Perfect first vehicle, perfect vehicle for a cash car. In wonderful condition, perfect Carfax report, no accidents, all original. This is an XM satellite radio they installed, in case you're wondering. Obviously in 2005 they didn't have XM satellite radio. Gorgeous vehicle for its age, in remarkable condition. There's the moonroof, it's open, everything works. Leather seats, original floor mats, all sets of keys, original manuals, power seats. Moonroof works perfectly. $55,149 miles. It will have gas in it when you get it. Back seats are like new. This is a senior-owned vehicle. As you can tell, just in fabulous, fabulous condition. Alloy wheels, tires are in great shape. And this is a 2005 Toyota Camry XLE leather moonroof, 55,000 miles, in wonderful condition.